If plus means multiplication, multiplication means minus, minus means division, and division means plus, then what is the value of 9 plus 4 minus 6 into 6 divided by 8? Okay. Now, the first step is to replace all these mathematical signs with whatever they mean. So 9 plus 4, plus means multiplication. So this becomes 9 into 4 minus 6. Minus is division. So divided by 6. Multiplication is minus. So minus 6. Division is plus. So plus 8. Okay. Now after we replace it, we have to solve it by the Bodmer's rule. Now always remember division and multiplication. Even if in Bodmer's it is D first, M later, they are of the same level. So if you see over here, we have multiplication first and division later if we go from left to right. So do not follow this DM order, but whenever division and multiplication are there, always go from left to right. So 9 fours are 36 divided by 6. Same thing applies for addition and subtraction as well. Do not add 8 first and then do minus 6. Minus and plus both are of the same level. So we have to go from left to right. Okay. So 36 divided by 6 is 6 minus 6 plus 8. So 6 minus 6 is 0 plus 8. The answer here comes out to be 8. That is option B. Now we are going to solve 5 questions based on the same coding decoding. Okay. Or we can also call this chapter as symbols and notations. Let's see the next question. 10 plus 10 into 10 minus 10 divided by 10. Okay, so let's replace the values. Plus means multiplication. So 10 tens are. Multiplication is minus. So minus 10. Minus is division. So divided by 10. And division is plus. So plus 10. So we can see multiplication and division is there. We have to do that first. So 10 tens are 100. Minus 10 divided by 10 is 1 plus 10. So 100 minus 1 is 99 plus 10. We get the answer as 109. So that is our answer, option A, 109. Let's solve one more. 16 into 4. So into means minus. So 16 minus 4. Division means plus. So plus 4. Plus means multiplication. So into 14. And minus means division. So divided by. Okay. So 16 minus 4 is 12 plus 4 into 14 divided by 2. Okay. Now division multiplication needs to be solved first. Okay. So I shouldn't have solved this first as well. Here itself, I should have put the brackets. Okay. So let's solve it here itself. So 4 into 14, that is 56. 56 divided by 2, that is 28. Okay. So let's write this down as 16 minus 4 plus 28. So 16 minus 4 is 12. 12 plus 28. Now we'll have to do from left to right. Only addition subtraction is there. So 12 plus 28, we get the answer as 40. Answer is option C. Let's see the next one. 16 minus 2. So this becomes 16 divided by 2 because minus is division plus 4. Plus means multiplication. So into 4 divided means plus 16 minus 8. That means again division divided by 2 into means minus 2. Okay. So we can see here division, multiplication. Here we have division. Okay. We'll have to do that first. So 16 divided by 2 is 8. 8 fours are 32. Okay. Plus 16 divided by 2 is 8 minus 2. Okay. So 32 plus 8, that is 40. Have we made any mistake here? Sorry, we have here minus 8. So here it will become divided by 8. So here it will become plus 2 minus 2. So 32 plus 2 minus 2, we get the final answer as 32 itself. So answer is option E. Let's do the last one. 2 divided by 4. Okay. So division means plus. So 2 plus 4. Plus means multiplication. So into 8. Minus means division. So divided by 16. Multiplication is minus 32 divided by, so plus 64. Multiplied by means minus 128. Division means plus 256. Okay. So here we have multiplication and division. We'll have to do that part first. So 4 8s are 32. 32 divided by 16, that is 2. So 2 plus 2 minus 32 plus 64 minus 128 plus 256. Okay. Now I will group these because I know that 32 twos are 64 and 128 twos are 256. So it is easy to calculate. So minus 32 plus 64, that gives us plus 32. And minus 128 plus 256, that gives us plus 128. Okay. So if we add all this, we will get the answer as 164. And therefore the answer is option B.